Hey guys, welcome back to So Aldo. For today's video, I am going to take you to a behind the scenes video. It's not going to be a tutorial, it's just going to show you what it's like in my sewing room when I am working on a project. So basically, this is what my sewing room looks like. This is a combined homeschool room and my sewing room. So my sewing room or my sewing area is right there in the corner, and as you can see, it's pretty bright back there because I already set up the lights so you can see what I'm doing later on. So I'm going to take you over here so you can see when I'm working right here. So I have my setup right here, and this tiny table is where I do all the magic, all the work. As you can see, I'm running out of room. I have this. My plan is I'm going to get another table that looks like that and extend it way over there, so I have a long work area. So like right now, this is the situation, and this is no edit. It looks like this because right after I finish a sewing project, I tidy up this area right here so it doesn't stress me out. I don't like a messy area. I am going to be making some Christmas presents for my daughter and my niece. So my daughter picked out this this fabric, and I love it. It's just kind of sheer, but we'll see, because sometimes it looks sheer when it's like this, but then later on it's not. And this is for my niece. I'm going to make a skirt, and my ironing station is right there. I just kind of put it there because the plug is really handy, and plus I don't have room on the table anymore. That's why it's sitting there, and I absolutely love it. Area right here, if you are following me on Instagram, you already saw this area. I organized all my fabrics right there. So my fabrics are right there, and I usually put my pattern stuff there, but I actually watched a video. I forgot her name. She showed her pattern collection and how she stored it, and I think I'm going to steal that idea as well, because like right now my patterns are right here and it's not even labeled. So these are all my pattern and my sewing machine manuals and all the other stuff, so they're hidden here just like that, so I can easily get it. So I have all the patterns in there. I already used up 2 fabrics, the pink one and the gray one, when I made the maxi dress that I just recently posted. If you want to see that, go ahead. And I also used up the fabric for the front button skirt. Yeah, so I still have this one, and this is, I have a similar one, but the print is red and then black stripe, black and white. This is navy and white and then pink flowers. So saving that for an inspiration, so one of these days I will use that. I also have this one. This is probably going to be my next project for 2019. So these are going to be featured for 2019 hopefully, because I have some sort of project that I'm secretly working on. Tell you more about that soon. So basically, this is my sewing area right here, and you know, this is where I cut. You've seen that in a lot of my videos lately. So that's where I cut my fabrics, just on the floor. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start with my Christmas presents that I need to do for the children. So right now it is 10 o'clock in the morning. It's the 20th, and I need to make Christmas presents for my niece and my daughter. So I'm gonna set the camera right here and get started. Figured it out today. If you use the knife, when you serge the raw edges of the fabric, it will not make it wavy. As you can see, this one is not wavy. This one is a little wavy. I'll just steam it or iron it. It will go back to its original shape. But that's actually what I found out today, which is super awesome. Going to serge it all the way around. So I will come back to you. I just need to make a phone call, and yeah, so I will be back. Okay, so I'm back. I just charged the computer and I made a really quick phone call to my sister. Now it's time to go back sewing. So I'm basically going to sew this all the way around. I will remove this. And like I said earlier, I am going to stretch as I sew. Ouch. Right. And there it is, finished skirt. I think it looks so cute. Going to drape the skirt. I'm just going to pin it. So this is the first skirt. Going to drape it right here so it can like that. I'm going to let it drape like that for 24 hours, just like that. And that basically is the project. I finished 2 skirts in 1 hour. And this is what my workspace looked like and the mess over there. So I'm going to try to make the shirt that I was telling you about. I'm going to make that. But I don't know if I'm going to film it. Guys, so you saw me finish 2 skirts in about 1 hour. So that was pretty quick actually. Yeah, if I'm not filming, it's probably a lot faster. So yeah, it took me an hour to finish 2 skirts, but basically they are the same style, so it's pretty easy. So now I am just going to tidy up the room and do something else. Anyway, I am going to tidy up the mess and edit this vlog, and hopefully you enjoy this vlog. This is not an actual tutorial, as you can see, but I really like that I was able to show you what, you know, like the behind the scenes when I'm actually working here in my sewing room. So I hope you guys like the not so glamorous part of, you know, making a garment. And yes, you can experience a few boo-boo, but it's totally up to you how you know to turn it around. Like the first boo-boo I made was I almost cut the pink fabric into a wrong length. Luckily I remembered. And the second one was I didn't remove one of the pins when I was serging, and it serged the pin in half. Luckily it didn't broke the needles, so that's good. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And what else I should be talking about? And don't forget to join the So Aldo Nation Squad, I just made that up the other day and I thought it sounded so cool. Don't you think so? I think that will be a good hashtag for 2019. It's going to be So Aldo Nation. It sounded like donation. But So Aldo Nation, you know, like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye!